Some words in English sound exactly the same, but are spelt differently and have different meanings. Look at the spelling of the word two in these sentences. They counted the beds. 1, 2, 3, said Pat. I can smell it too. They walked down to the river. The word two can be spelled in 3 different ways depending on what it means. When two is spelled T-W-O, it's the number 2.
How is the word two spelled in 1, 2, 3?
That's the number 2, so that's T-W-O.
When two is spelled T-O-O, it means also. So, John went to is the same as John went also, or John went as well. Two spelled T-O-O also means more than enough, like in the phrase too much.
How is the word two spelled in the sentence I'm coming too?
I'm coming too. That's the same as I'm coming also. T-O-O.
It's too small.
Again, T-O-O.
And that leaves the spelling T-O, like back to school, or how to buy a car.
How is the word to spelled in the train to Dublin?
The train to Dublin. That's T-O.
She is going to sing.
T-O.
Look out for examples of the different spellings of the word to so that you'll get to know which one to use.